Section 4. Hatha Yoga Relaxation Practices. Spanda Nishpanda Kriya. This practice is done from Shavasana using the yogic concept of Spanda Nishpanda, which means the coupling of tension and relaxation. We consciously tense different parts of our body as much as possible and then relax them to the maximum in a step-by-step manner. This produces a better relaxation response than the mere attempt to relax without putting in the initial efforts of tension. Lie down in a comfortable supine Shavasana with your entire body in a single straight line. After a few seconds of relaxation in this position, start to tense your entire body part by part from your toes up to the top of your head until every part of your body is as tense as possible. Hold this 100% tension state of Spanda for a few seconds. Let all the muscles of your entire body be as tense as possible. At the peak of the tension, just let go and relax your body 100%. This is the state of Nishpanda. Enjoy this relaxed state and with conscious awareness continue to watch your breath as it comes in and goes out of your nose. Repeat this practice again by tensing up your entire musculoskeletal system to the state of Spanda and hold it for a few seconds. When ready, let go completely and enjoy the Nishpanda state for a few minutes. To complete the practice, repeat the Spanda Nishpanda Kriya a third time. Tense up your entire musculoskeletal system from your toes to the top of your head. Hold the complete tension for a few seconds. When ready, let go completely and enjoy the complete relaxation that ensures. Be aware of how all your muscles relax in this practice. The relaxation is deepened when it is contrasted with tension. This practice is a boon for those suffering psychosomatic, stress-induced and stress-aggravated disorders such as hypertension, diabetes, asthma, insomnia, peptic ulcers, as well as bowel disorders. It is also useful for patients of musculoskeletal problems such as neck pain, back pain, and arthritis. Shavasana, relaxation for the body and mind. Shavasana is a relaxing and energizing posture in which the body, emotions and mind are united in the process of conscious relaxation. 15 minutes of Shavasana, when properly performed, is equal to more than an hour of refreshing sleep. Lie supine on the ground with your head preferably to the north, enabling your body to be in alignment with the Earth's electromagnetic field. Make sure that your head and body are in a straight line, while your hands are kept relaxed by your side with the palms facing up. Bring your feet together and then let your 4 feet fall into a V shape with your heels as close together as possible. Start to consciously watch your breath by letting your awareness settle in the abdominal area. Feel the abdominal movements as your abdomen rises when you breathe in and falls as you breathe out. After a few rounds of this practice, slowly let your awareness settle at the tip of your nose. Feel the cool inspired air flowing into your nostrils as you breathe in, and become aware of the warm expired air flowing out of the nostrils when you breathe out. Consciously regulate your breath so that the duration of the incoming and outgoing breath are equal. The inspiration and expiration can be for a count of 4 or 6 initially, and then with practice elongated to a count of 8 or 10. Perform at least 9 rounds of this conscious deep breathing and enjoy the relaxed sensation spreading throughout your body. The relaxation in Shavasana can be further deepened by utilizing Savitri Pranayama to relax and rejuvenate your body, emotions and mind. Breathe in through your nose for a count of 6. Hold in the breath for a count of 3. Breathe out through your nose for a count of 6. Finally, hold the breath out for a count of 3. Make sure that you are breathing in and out through both nostrils and that you are using the complete yogic breathing. Perform at least 9 rounds of this combination practice that heightens the relaxation to a very deep level. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold in 1, 2, 3. Breathe out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold out 1, 2, 3. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold in 1, 2, 3. Breathe out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold out 1, 2, 3. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold in 1, 2, 3. Breathe out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold out 1, 2, 3. After performing 10 to 15 minutes of the Shavasana, slowly start to move your fingers and toes. Perform conscious stretching and make a smooth transition from the relaxed to the active state. Lift your left arm over your head and turn over onto your left side. Continue this turning action until you come into the face prone posture. Perform Makarasana, the crocodile pose, by placing your right hand on the left, while the left is placed palm down on the ground in front of you. Keep your forehead or chin on your right hand while keeping your feet a foot apart. Bring your hands forward near your shoulders and push yourself back into the Bhujangasana. Continue the back bending movement and go into the four-footed Chatushpadasana. Relax into the Shashangasana with your arms stretched out in front, and then finally slowly come back to the heel-sitting Vajrasana. With your palms on your thighs, sit quietly for some time and enjoy the effects of the deep relaxation that has spread to every part of your body.